All right, good morning and good day wherever you are. This is to show you how the 30 days money management challenge app looks like. I'm going to open the app now. As you can see the app on my screen. Once you open the app, you're going to see something like this: 30 days money management challenge. Transform your relationship with money in just 30 days. So once you click on start challenge, that means you're ready for day one. So I'll click on start challenge. Once you click on start challenge, you are going to notice the way the interface of the app works. You notice that only day one is open. You cannot open day 2 till tomorrow. You cannot open day 3 till next tomorrow. It's like that for 30 days. So you don't know what the challenge is or what you're going to face the next day. Is locked till the next day. And if you don't do it on the second day, any day you open it to be your day 2. That's the way the app works. So like today is day 1. You're going to be seeing your progress on top, right? So today is day 1. Once you click on day 1, this is day 1. Financial goals for the month. Start the month with clear intentions. What is today's task? Set your financial goals for the month. Write it on a sticker note or somewhere else. So the goal is just to set your financial goal for the month. That is day 1. So when you finish day 1, if you have an expenses that you have for day 1 or an income for the one you want to put, you click on add transaction. See the way this app is. If it's expenses, assuming you bought food is already here. Assuming you bought food 2,000 naira, you type 2,000 naira, this is food, you click save expenses and it's automatically saved. If you want to add another expenses, you are going to see add. So once you click on add, if it's income, you click on income. Whatever it is, you see your drop down. Is it salary? Is it freelance? Is it gift? If that income is not there, you are going to see add new, for you to add what the income is so that you can enter it. Assuming it's salary and your salary is 20,000 naira, you type 20,000 naira and click save income. That way, once you are done, you are going to see complete day 1 downwards. Once you click complete day 1, once you click on complete day 1, it means that you have finished day 1 task. So day 2 is now unlocked. You are not going to see what is in day 2 until the next day. Now once you click on analytics, you are going to see your income and expenses, the summary of your income and expenses that you enter every day. This is the overview. Like today is day 1, it will only give you for day 1. I entered 2 transactions on day 1, and if there's any other transaction that I do that I want to enter, I can put it here. Click on add. Then expensive, assuming I bought airtime, I'll click on this place. There's no airtime here. I can use bills, or I'll click on add new and call it airtime. Once I call it airtime, I'll click on add. So now selecting airtime, how much did I spend on airtime? Assuming I bought airtime of 3,000 naira, I'll click on save expense. It's automatically saved. As you can see, there's a pie chart showing my income and expenses. So that is how the app works. Then if you want to join our community, you click on community and you're going to see my number to call me to join our community. And our community is the Wealth Builders WhatsApp group, where we talk about money, investment and the rest of them. So that is how the app works. If you want the app, call me on this number or chat me up on this number to get the app. It is free of charge, and you can use it on your phone, do the challenges that comes with it. This is day 1, and once you click on view start, you see all your statistics so far for the month. So the aim of the app is just to guide you for 30 days to be able to keep track of your income and expenses and also do the challenge. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.